So I've lately stumbled upon this library for C++ UI. It's called EMGUI. And now it's all good. However, it requires like a lot of setup. You need to set up the DirectX device, context, and so on. So that's why I found different alternative. It still uses like EMGUI for the UI and the rendering, but it handles the creation of devices and contexts, so it's a lot easier to get started with. So it's like really simple to get started with. You just create a new window and pass in the draw function with its dimensions and the title. However, the version of the library I have here is slightly modified, as you can see from this vsync variable, and actually I modified it so that this happens. Yeah. Uh, Normally this used to be 1, which set the vsync to always be on, and when I was testing I noticed a lot of lag because I have a 60 Hz monitor still, so that's not quite ideal, especially the hardware I got. It can handle more than 60 FPS on something like that. Um, so this is the where it's used, and this is where it's defined. It's defined in the same like namespace as new window in the same object. So yeah, um, that's basically the modification I did. I opened also a pull request so the alpha can like authorize the changes, and it's gonna be probably merged. So that's how you make a window. Just a quirk that I added to the library. This is like a menu. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just begin, give it a title, end it, you have some elements, passing a pointer to the value that you want to change, sliders, color pickers. But like there is one thing intriguing about these menus, that they don't look like your standard windows on Windows. They're actually different. They look like mod menus from games. Also, I'm gonna get into this function later. Here's just my drawing code based off the variables. It's like simple to add a rect. Just you add a rect, passing the first pause, second pause, the color, and here are some optional arguments like pixel rounding, the draw flags, which probably control how the finished product looks, and also the border thickness. But that's quite boring. We all know how to draw a cube. I mean, a rectangle. But what's quite interesting is right here. This is a theme, and like it takes up a lot of lines, but as you can see, I stole it. I mean, I borrowed it. It's our theme. So basically, there's a library of themes we can use, and I'm gonna leave a link to that library in the description. Like, it doesn't have a lot of themes, but some of them are cool. I used one that's like stands out. Uh, if you wanna draw, you have to draw it to the draw list. Yeah, so that's like the easiest like functioning program. Also, you could have done without the theme, but then the menu would look like bad. Now let's run this. Yeah, so this is a window, and the background draw list is just the actual window itself. So let's say you make an overlay for a application, then the draw list, the background draw list is gonna just draw onto that application. What can I say else? So we can just change a lot of settings. That's just a simple demo. But it really highlights how easy it is to use this library. And yeah, let me know if you would use it like over, I don't know, Opengle or Raylib, because I think it has potential, not only like UIs. I think it has also like potentials in scientific development where you need to draw something and you need to have a menu. It's really simple to set up that. Also in like game development, if you are tired and don't want to make the buttons, you can just use the menu and just draw. Yeah, so that's this simple library. I'll leave links into everything in the description. Bye guys.